Here we are at Arabic Line. This is the ACA Hurricane and P15. Go under here. So there's these boxes underneath here, which I suppose these are locked, but they don't look locked. Yeah, it requires a key. That's the problem. So over here is the hurricane's standpipe or thing. You can see the switch is shut off. This right here. Here's the blower. The hurricane itself. You can see right above us. And then we have the P10. The P10 doesn't have a box, I don't think. There's a thing that switched it off. There it is. Okay. Well, that's about it. We're probably gonna make it to the other one on the highway. So here we are at the this ACA hurricane over here in Greenville, Texas. This is a nice hurricane. Let's see. So the blower pipe is disconnected, but the switch is on. People have reported that the siren has rotated in different directions, but I'm not sure about that because it's still in the same position as it was on Google Maps. I shall become the other, I don't know like what number to touch it. There it is. ACA Hurricane in Greenville.